Hello, hey, my people, my black people. I don't come again. Oh, Meriados don't come again. On our worst nightmare. When I talk, on our worst nightmare don't land again. Oh, wetin Meriados get where she want talk now? Where she can say SARS have to stay? Hey, SARS, where they protest for everywhere, even America, that they protest. London, they protest. Even Oyibo, Oyibo that they fool us, even the journals they protest. I say SARS must stay. SARS don't have to go anywhere. Now they hear me so. Now me be that lady, the lady of truth. I don't dey fear any black person. Say they go do me like this, they go near me like this. I don't care. Waiting all of una they do say SARS must go. SARS is killing people. Seki? SARS is killing people. We don't want SARS. We are tired of SARS. Black people, look at your eyes. Who is there? Who is there? Put black head. I go talk like that today. It's me, Meriados, lady of truth, your worst nightmare, the black people nightmare on social media. Now me, what do you mean by SARS must go? What are people doing? Just look at your color. It's even your color. Oh my God! What they said before, they said black is beautiful, but now, black, is non-entity. What are you saying? What is SARS must go? SARS must go. SARS must go. SARS must go. I said, what are they saying? What is SARS must go? These criminals. Look at you people. Why? How many times have you come out to protest and said that Boko Haram must go? Blacks. Look at you. You people are so moron. Do you know what is moron? When have you come out and protest that Boko Haram must go? Because, all those people, they kill masses. Now, soldiers, and they kill Abi. You see your lives? When have you come out to say Fulani S-men must go? When did people come out? When have you come out to say that? Look at all of them. Look at black people. Look at them. That we go to our farm and kill all of them. Kill your... Stop calling. Fulani S-men. We kill old women. Old papa. Children. They will label all of them. Scatter. Nyaga. These black folks. I'm talking to people. Now go. Una they crazy. They will slaughter them. Cut their neck. They will be like this. None of you, these bastard youths, came out and protest and said, no, our mother, they kill my mother, they kill our father. No, you have to stop. How many of you came out? Look at you. You people are so stupid, morons. I don't have respect for any of you because as long as you people don't have sense, I will never respect any black person. No, even if you are in a big office, I can even spit on your head on top of that big office that you are. Yes. How many of you have come out to protest that Fulani S-men have to stop? Like the way you are protesting now everywhere all over the world for SARS. How many of you have come out to protest that we have to have light in Africa, in Nigeria? How many of you, this goat, stupid black goat? How many of you, stupid black goats, have come out to protest that? No light, we need light, we need light. How many of you? Fools. How many of you have come out to protest that you need light? How many of you have came out to protest that you need water? Fools. SARS must stay. Share the video. SARS must stay. SARS have nothing to do in our country. SARS must stay. They are just doing their job. How many of you have stopped this you people just put generator every time. Fools, bamboos, Idiots. Just on generator. You like that useless life? The white people making money from your miserable head. You like it, black shit? You like it? Why didn't you come out and protest that we need light? We are tired of Jen. We are tired of Jen. We need light. When did it come out? No, for where? Because you people are just common criminal. Tell me that you are not a criminal. A black they kill you. Do you look me like black? I am white inside of me. Are you mad? Do you look me like I'm stupid like you? Like you are, Evans? Just look at me, a young woman like me. You see the way I'm talking, bold. And you see that bad to say whether are you mad? I'm not black. Inside of me, I'm white, idiot. Look at all of you. None of you even came out to protest all these things that I'm saying. None of black people came out. But because you people are common criminals, do you know what is common criminal? one naira, idiots. Criminal. Because the SARS, they are blocking your criminal activities. You understand me? Because you are a criminal, that's your phone. You have too much criminal things in your phone. SARS will like to search. If you are not a criminal, why are you fighting SARS? Common criminals. Why are you just look at your lives. You guys don't even want a better life for your miserable life. You don't want a better life. You want to be a criminal and you will die and go to fire. Can't you protest for a good life? For good things to come to your country? If you can protest like this for SARS, you can also protest for a good government. The old men I said before, they don't have power to fight the youth. I said it before, yeah? I said it before, but none of you listened to me. Look at them, fools. If you can fight like this, no SARS also. No SARS, SARS must stop, SARS must stop. Why can't you come out and fight and protest that we need a good government? We need start killing every man with a portfolio. Any big man that roll up, just scatter the whiskey. Just if you see any government, they come just one of your come and scatter them. Stupidity not go stop on our country. It not go stop. You want to be a criminal, a Yahoo criminal, so you will be rich. Everybody will be calling you Oga. Thief, SARS have to stay. SARS must stay in the name of Jesus. SARS, more than not fear. Buhari said SARS have to go. SARS will not go, Mr. Buhari. SARS have come to stay because majority of our youth in Nigeria are common criminals. So why do you want SARS to go? They don't know how to fight for their rights. They don't know how to fight with the government so that they will have job, so that they will have electricity, so that their country will be good. You fools, you are fighting for a peanut. You are fighting to be a Yahoo. Do you know that if you fight the government, do you know what you will gain? Do you know what you will gain if you fight the government? Fools, idiots. Do you black head, long head? Look at the men. It's the men I'm even talking to, not the women that is a prostitute, common prostitute. All those ones in Nigeria, they are just all these young girls, fools. They are just common prostitutes. They love the Yahoo guys. They love Yahoo guys. Like they will just like that, fuck them, give them big money, use them to do ritual. They don't even know they are left. All these girls, fools. Those ones, they are idiots. Who is P Square? Who is I don't want to hear Pem. I don't want to hear Pem. I said SARS must stay because you people are criminals. How many times SARS have stopped P Square to P Square just want to talk because he want to talk. Because everybody is saying SARS must stop. Everybody will just come out. SARS must stop. Me, I will never say SARS must stop. Never. Rather, I will say SARS have to stay. They have to stay. P Square. P Square is doing he's a musician, he's doing his everything is okay. What is his business with the SARS? He just want to talk. He just want P-Square have made it. He just want to talk so that people will see share the video. Share his video. That is just it. Notice me. You understand me? The real thing is here is me. I'm talking the real thing, the whole hard truth. Because I am the lady of truth. I have to say the whole hard truth. Look at you are putting the red there because your head is red. Because you are a fool. Because you are a wonderful fool. That's why you are putting red head. Come and challenge me that you are not a fool as a black man. I said I'm your worst nightmare. I have said it before and I'm saying it again. I'm going to deal with you people. Black people. I go to Nigeria every now and then before the coronavirus. The SARS will never stop me and say, where is... If the SARS stop me and say, where is my phone? I will give the SARS my phone because I know that there is nothing evil, criminal inside my phone. And when they will give me back, I will still give them money. Because these people, they are suffering. All these police, they are suffering. They don't pay them well. They need money. You understand me? Corrupt everywhere, corruption. So... that is just it. If you don't have a battery in your phone, why is it that if SARS say bring your phone, you will say you don't want you will not give phone? Why won't you give phone if SARS say give your phone? Because you are a common criminal. Yes, okay, phone is you people problem now. Look at these stupid black fools. You people irritate me. Do you know you when I see you guys, you irritate me. See the way children dies in your front, in your miserable eyes. See the way people die of sickness. No hospital. None of you came out. None of you come out to protest for good hospital. For a free healthcare. None of you, this useless black head people. None of you came out to protest for a good hospital. Fools. Elite, no, I mean, una go school, sef. Una not go school, una be illiterate. None of you came out to say, our people are having choco every time. Look, go to hospital, you will see kidney disease. All of them, they are pregnant. They were not pregnant before. That disease will just come like that, bam. None of you protest. I wish there is a good hospital. There is a good hospital. Those things, in Europe, you will not see a stupid thing like that. How can somebody just be swollen, the stomach will just swell up? The white people will find solution, they will operate, they will fast, everything will be fine. But your shit country, nothing like that. Nothing like that. You don't protest for good thing. Let me tell you something. Because you people in Nigeria, you are goats, a gungu. You people are very stupid. You people are very useless. In Europe, everything is in order. You understand me? I wish the government, put your comment, I will reply you, but with insult first, before I will reply you. Everything is in order. The government arrange everything in their country. The police don't have right to search anybody's phone. No. Because they not be criminal. They not be common criminal. You understand me? And these police people that you are saying, they receive no less than 3,000 euro. In Nigeria, how much the police, all this, how much they receive? Nothing. What are you saying? I wish all of you protest, even this SARS, all of you protest for a good government. Ask me if there will be this nonsense act. Ask me if there will be this nonsense act. There will be nothing like that. You people just let the government be hitting your head like this. Taking all your money and keeping them. The money that they have to use to help the country. The money that they have to use to organize everything. You people that is a criminal, you let them take all the money. And you'll be doing you'll be a criminal. That is the life you plan for yourself. That is the life you plan for yourself. You people don't have shame. Phone is your problem now. As you are there right now, phone is your problem. I wish you came out all these years like this. You people protest for big things. For things that, yes, if people hear, they'll say, yes, but people are doing well. You will be in this mess. You guys could have been in this mess. I'm asking you people. Criminals. Shut up! There is no innocent people there. That are you mad? What about the Boko Haram, Owen? What about the ones the Boko Haram are killing and the Fulani X-Men? You stupid criminal. Who tell you I don't have a human hair? I have too much hair in this my house. Oh my God, this house is full of real hair. Okay, because you are a fool. I said I'm a black person but white. You don't understand. You don't understand what I'm saying. Foolish black people. I have real hair. It's even jabrata. I cannot even wear. You want me to show you real hair? Are you mad? I will show you real hair because I'm ready for you black shit. This one is kinking straight, you see? This is real hair. I don't wear. I can show you real hair, idiot. I have too much real hair. I will show you real hair. You will just faint. Are you mad? You want me to... wait, before I will go, I will bring out real hair. You understand me? I behave like the white people. I have it all, but I don't show off. I don't show off because I'm not a black person. All the hair, I just black for skin. I'm not be like that. Una too stupid. Una too stupid. Zion, Zion, if you be, as you be black, you're not stupid, you're not useless, If you're not really useless for your life, for your miserable life, for your pa and ma bonjour, As Europe be, now so Africa be, that is where I see stand, I never see useless people like this. You see carry your criminal activity, you come and be stealing in Europe also. That's why they put people. Oh, do you know how many black people are in the prison? Too much black people are in the prison. What are people saying? What is SARS must go? Patrick, keep quiet. You are a stupid black fool. Prove to me that you are not a goat. I'm ready for you guys. I'm your network, your nightmare, your worst nightmare. Now me talk am. Now me the face una squarely. I go deal with you. What? Are you mad? As you just go to hospital in Nigeria, everywhere smelling. People are dying. They are like this. You stupid goats. People are like this. In Europe, it's not like that. Go to Nigeria, people are begging to live in the hospital. They even see some of them, their dead body. They seize their dead body. They don't die. They will see Caesar, don't say, come and claim this person's dead body for 300,000 naira. You will see, when I'm talking, you will see talk. Are you people mad? Are you people mad? Criminals. Criminals. Are you people mad? In Europe, it's not like that. Everybody, they treat them as if it's even free itself. The healthcare will pay. The healthcare will pay. In Nigeria, everybody is dying in the hospital. No money, nothing. No free hospital. Like after the government will not pay back to the doctor. Nothing like that. You people did not come out to protest for that one. Ashawo kill you now there. Ashawo kill you there. If you see Ashawo, you not go no. You are seeing a bold woman in your front, you idiot. You are seeing a young bold woman in your miserable front. Do you hear me? You people are so stupid. You don't protest for hospital that when you take somebody to hospital, they will just treat the person. Later, the government will pay the money. You don't protest for. I am a robber. You don't protest for those children. You let them be learning, on the floor. Rain will be beating them. You don't protest for them. Idiot. Fools. SARS must stay. SARS must stay. SARS will not go. Wow, wanna die. Criminals. Evil people. Which thing, are you mad? Evelyn, which thing you dey take for a time? fool. Since when they kill? Where Boko Haram never come out. Boko Haram never come out. Fulani first come out. Because all those ones they not affect Yahoo boys. All those ones they not affect the criminals boys. Nobody talk. Abi, as now they face these Yahoo guys, all these common criminals, now I can start now. Even all these girls, all these prostitute girls in Nigeria, all of them, they are hungry. SARS, leave down our boys alone. You are a fool. Do you know that you don't have a future as a lady? You don't have a future. Your future is dead long time ago, girl. You are dead. School you not go. Nobody care about you. Look at your mates in Europe, the young girls like you. They are in their office like this. If you see them, your mates, you are there, say, leave our voice alone. A shower, kobo. Now you be. Don't have shame. Can't you protest for your good life? Look at your lives. They will even marry you, these stupid girls. They will be maltreating you people in their house. Am I lying? All these boys. No, they marry you now. They'll beat you later. I wish there is a good government. Everything is unready. You think somebody will take you, marry you, and start beating you? For where? Because you are stupid as a girl. You don't know your right. Owen, are you mad? You think I don't know that black people are animal? They are animal. There is no security. If I go to Nigeria and say that SARS have to stay, they will kill me because they are animal. There is no law. Are you mad? You think I don't have sense? I will be here protesting for my own self here. Yeah? You think I don't have sense? I have sense more than you are because you are stupid, because I'm a white person. I'm not black. I have sense. I will not go there and say SARS have to stay. They will kill me because they are gaining. They are gaining from there. They are criminals. When SARS will stay, SARS will continue to search their phones. They will not have time to be riding their big criminal jeep. You people get me? You get where I'm going to? Your country is not good. None of you came out to protest that you are a fool. Oh, you are a goat. Which you saw there going out there, you saw these shit black people. There was a day as our government put money inside one plane, they load money inside the helicopter. Helicopter could not be able to fly. The weight of the money was making the helicopter. The weight was too much. The helicopter could not fly. It's your money. The money that they have to use to enrich your life, so you will not be a yahoo. So you will not be a prostitute as a young girl. Your money did not fly. The weight was too much. They are going to share it among themselves. You don't protest for that. You don't protest for that. You don't protest for that, stupid black people. I am your worst nightmare. Okay, Mary Dose, aka the Lady of Truth. Hey, unto. See, as all of them be, look at your eyes. You are very, very ugly. Very, very ugly because you don't want to stand for the right thing. You are on social media every time. You see what is happening in the white man's country. You still let them oppress you like this. Our country is like this today because the white people see oppress us. Fools. Let me tell you people, when a white man wants something from you, when you say no, they cannot do anything to you. But this black fool, a white man will just corner them like this. They will just answer, say, yes, no problem. You think I said that I'm a white man, that I bar for the white people? You are a goat to believe that I, Mary, will bar for the white people. Never in this life I will bar for them. I just know where I'm going. I know I follow their law. I respect them. I don't They don't tell me what to do. I decide for myself in this Belgium. Imagine I have my own house. You will know what I'm saying. When you have your own house here, that means they will tell you what to do. They will be writing you. They will be talking. They will be calling. I don't mind them. I'm very straight, even with the white people. Now, you hear me? Are you mad, Onwe? Are you mad? Are you a human being for me not to insult you? You that is a foolish black goat. I should not insult you. Prove to me why I should not insult you, Ozuo. Prove to me, idiot. Look at your country, it's Ogo. Your country, Edo State, for instance, is Ogo everywhere. Water everywhere, idiot. All this Ogo, they have the money to do it like this. All this erosion, like this, it's like this, bam. Those erosion will just stop. Yes, but these stupid black fools, they load the money inside one place. Nobody is saying anything. Nobody is saying anything. Before I will old and die, I must slap somebody in the government. I swear. Me, I don't talk. People go share. I must slap one person in the government in Nigeria. Even though they shoot me, no wala. They go say, young lady, why did you slap this man, this politician? Also, I will explain myself. Yes. How can you be afraid of a human being like you, you stupid black goat? If you are afraid of your politicians, what about the white people? That means, hey, some of you, when you see white, you will just be pissing your body. Yes, in this Europe. If you see, they don't even know, they are just stupid. They will just be doing like this. Ozuo. You cannot even face your people in Africa. What is the meaning of SARS must stop? Are you mad? SARS must stay. Wow. Look at your people. Die. Are you mad? Igor, about your boy. What of the in your country, in your state? Have you found a solution to that? What about the children? As we are talking right now, the children, they are still inside the house. No school, idiot. Are you, no, Madam Mad. How many people came out and protest for the children to start school? How many people came out? SARS must stop. SARS must stop. How many people came out to protest for the children to start school? Those children, they will grow up to be armed robber. These innocent children. I don't pray for them. I don't pray for them to be armed robber in the name of Jesus. They will grow up, the girls will become prostitutes. Eriosea. None of you of Dinya. No. How many of you protest for those young children inside the house in Nigeria? Nigeria children, they are not going to school. SARS, stop. SARS, stop. He goat and she goat. Beast of no training. Non-entities. Good for nothing black shirt. I said it. You guys are good for nothing. You are good. They just have to use people to do sacrifice. You are not bold. You cannot talk. Nothing. You guys are just there like that. A whoopee. What do you think? Why, if I go to Nigeria, I'm always in the midst of those children. Your stupid scores did not tell you that there is something about this young lady. I want to do something, but I cannot do the thing. I want to riot. There is something but I cannot do it. Or damn it, that is why you will see me. I will just be in their midst. I will just be looking at them. They will be making me to talk. They will be talking. I will just, oh my God. Inside of me, I'm crying. Because in Europe, all the children, they are in the school. Dressed, neat. My own, they are in conductor, 10 years. I know that we are not the one that asked the parents to make children. China was like that before. China, they have too much children. They now put the law that no, every parent have to have this kind of children. Our people in Nigeria, I know that when the time will come, they will put the law that mothers have to be taking family planning before things will be okay. Yeah, they would. It's not their fault that the children are there. I cannot blame them. No law, nothing. Europe, people were afraid of making kids. The children things were very expensive. Now the white people now use their forehead, their number 36, and say, no, I will not make children. Do you know what the government did? The government passed law that anybody who have a child will be given, because they say, now all those people now come for their country. Say, no young children, no babies, nothing. They go put the law, say, oh yeah, we go, they give you 1,000 euro if you born. We go, they pay this some money for this speaking. Now make Oyibo Konde born. You know this? But Africa, we don't have sense. When African mother see her friend when African mother have 2 children and her friend have 5, African mother will do everything to have 5 children also. Am I lying? We have a door head. You understand me? So I don't jabrata the children for granted when they go Nigeria. Now inside the children they stay. Now they tell me bye-bye. If they pay me, there is nothing I can do. But now see us on our head be like, whoa, all these guys. You people are so stupid. You people are the most useless people, guys, boys I have ever seen in my entire life. Black boys. Very useless. Am I lying? Do you know that for you to talk to black people, just be doing other thing? It's because I did not do hair. For me to talk to black fools, if I'm wow, away. Do you think that European police will just see somebody be embarrassing them? No, everything is fixed. Everybody have his name in their in the computer. He or she. Everybody's enraged. No need for police to come and search your phone because everything is the computer. You understand me, goat? Your country, if you protest for a good thing, all these things, nobody will search your phone. No. Look at our police. Look at, they don't even have good cars. They are suffering. Look at the European police. Hell, they have the latest car. You see, they enjoy. Are you mad? They enrage everybody. Had it been they don't enrage, we the man, we are there for problem. Yeah, we for there for problem. Police, SARS, where they not they collect better money, may they come they smell, say they drive because you are a goat. As the person at their work to look for criminal. Oh yeah, now they go they don't know that does they get. But had it been say the SARS and police that they pay them well, they get good house, good offices, all this nonsense, and the citizens, all of us, we are okay. All this nonsense will stop. All this nonsense will not happen. A country that is a black cat country, a state that don't have lights. What do you expect? You people you did not protest for good things. You did not protest for light. That you are tired of darkness. You did not do it. You like to be inside darkness and be driving Range Rover and be driving a Oma Jeep. You are a goat. You are a stupid person. As a black person, you are a, oh my God, I want to cry. Oh, many word. As in, you know what is better for you black people? They will just slaughter all of you. Slaughter all of you like this. Then wait for another new generation black. Because you people are useless. You are good for nothing. Am I lying? No, just prove to me. Tell me that I'm not lying. Goat. Leave it a comment. Oh, well, it don't concern you. It don't concern you. Lizzie, are you insulting me? Lizzie, no, like for real, you are insulting me like a woman. You're a woman, you have the nerves to insult me. You for really, you have the nerves to insult me. Me, a woman. Tell me one word that I'm saying that is bad. Say it. That I said you need a light is a bad thing. That I said Boko Haram don't have to be in our country is a bad thing. That I said Fulani Esme kill is a bad thing. So as I'm putting insult, it's a pain now. I wish I came out now. I don't insult you guys. I cannot come out. They owe me come out to come and pet you, stupid black shit. I will not do it. You people are moron. You people are nothing before me like this. People are stupid. What is good of you? It's not only to ride a big motor or a way. This is my car. It's black people hand that I will see somebody will buy Benz we put on social media. Fool. Where have you seen a white man buy Benz put on social media? Idiots. Where have you seen it? Where? They couldn't buy a mere black man. You people are so. You are annoying. Do you know what is the meaning? You people are irritating. You people are primitive. Where did this one they talk say now the same black I born for? You don't even know the meaning of kids. I want to have children. Even though say my children are black, I will train them in a white way. I don't want to train them as a stupid way. You know, I have to teach them. Follow here, my children. Don't follow all these stupid, foolish black people that they don't know they are right. They only know how to steal. They only know how to steal and make it and put on social media and say, I have arrived. Are you not stupid like that? No, aren't you stupid? For all of us to gather, for everybody to be equal, for even in this Europe, everybody is not equal, but nobody is suffering. That is my point. In this Europe, everybody is not equal, but nobody is suffering. It's only these black fools that come here that are suffering, idiots. That they carry their locability from Africa and come here. They are just, they are Bolikoya is. So majority of the black, they are just useless here. Yes, honey, one man. You are stupid. God, I'm angry. Don't call me Semeredoso. I'm very angry with these black people. I have to be talking sense in your miserable head. When I will be talking like this, you will have sense. Yes, now me talking. This one will come out. Now Maka the wear. You know how much they buy my clothes. Aren't you a goat? Sayomonu tell me say no, you not be goat. Now Maka the wear. You know it's in my top. Goat. Only Ajena. The way. Only Ajena. Do you see a white man coming out to say he's wearing a marker? Do you see a white man who come out and say he's wearing a marker? You see them for good things, for good reasons. Yes. But you people in Africa, you are shit. You are good for nothing. 0/100. Momo enugwa. Momo enugwa. Yes, give me the flag. I'm in Nigeria, the only bold woman that can talk. Yes, now me. I dey talk and the way it be. It dey pepper, but none of you have heard this kind of things in your miserable life before. It dey pain, Make it pain on not too local, not too stupid. It pains me when a baby will be dying in the hospital. A baby will be dying. Baby will be struggling for life. They will say no money, will not go treat this child. You don't see that useless people watching me right now. The useless one, not the good ones. Did you protest for that? Did you came out to protest for? No, baby, hospital paying before treatment must stop. Paying before treatment must stop. Paying before treatment must stop. How many times have you come out to protest? You these black fools. Eh? You understand me? Oh, when your comment is irrelevant, like as you are stupid. Check me out now. See a woman, a young lady speaking. Oh my God, speaking the whole hard truth that you and your miserable family cannot say in 1 million years to come. I say it. I say it. You have to be ashamed of yourself. For a lady to come out to be saying this kind of big thing, you guys have to be ashamed of yourself, of your miserable lives. You are miserable as a black. You are miserable. You don't see that you are miserable. No, you don't look at yourself. Look at yourself in the mirror and tell me that you are not a miserable person that's a black man. Look at yourself in the mirror and tell me. Look at Gaddafi, Africa country. It's not African people that killed him. Young people, nice selling at night killer. What are people telling me? Idiot. What are people telling me? France tell a Gaddafi people say, una papa they do. Una papa get women where they guide them. But na papa say make una not they do. And na papa they do na bad. As a useless, miserable black, they follow the white people to say, it's true too. For them to say, no, white people is none of your business. You damn them. When you damn them, they stay in their lane. But these black fools, they never did. They never did. Anything the white people tell them, they say, You have to remember that when a white man will die, it's the 6 feet that they will put the white man, that they will also put your miserable self as a black person. All these things is happening in Nigeria now, all this poverty. White people are contributing. You think I don't know all these things? You people just believe, just think that they just like white people. In your wildest dream. These things, our people, they battle the white people. Imagine me in a big position one day, for instance. Again, you do your own. You don't fight for good thing. SARS, go. We don't want SARS. We don't want SARS. When better things they want to go protest for. When my music protest is better thing. We don't want SARS. We don't want SARS. We don't want SARS. None of them they protest for. He goats. And she goat. You don't have sense. All of the waiting at the talks on a mass of talker. But what the guys do, they practice how to steal. They practice how to toast women. They practice how to cheat on their wives. Is it not what you people black men does? Is there anything you are capable of doing as a black fool that you are? Tell me. How can all of you just open your eyes? Things will just be going bad in your country called Nigeria. None of you will stand up and say no. You just stand up and say SARS must go. Are you mad? What about the things that have been happening in your front in Africa, in Nigeria? You people didn't get up. You people didn't get up to talk. Look at the way you travel to Libya. From Libya to Italy. You will still look me and say that I should go inside. You are a fool. Why did you go to Libya? Is it not because your government was bad? not was, is bad. It's not because of your government is bad that and a graduate will be wearing a ordinary slippers. Full day, a graduate will not see food to eat. The money that our parents used to spend in their children that's a graduate, these parents, they did not get it. Some of them, they hang themselves, they die miserable. When I'm talking, a young lady is talking, you will see get up and say, go inside. You that Libya children were beaten as a guy, as African guy. Libya children were beating you like this. Libya children will say, kneel down there, you will kneel down. You will not be talking to me as you like. Are you mad? Are you crazy? As a guy, I'm talking to guys, not women. I'm challenging guys because it's the guys that are protesting right now. Look at you. You did not know the suffer you suffered in Libya Road. Only matter now protesting. That one not need to do protest put. Say no. How many of you protest that our people are dying in Libya? Libya must stop. Government do something. Libya must stop. Government do something. Fools. Look at you people. I will continue to deal with you till further notice. Do you hear me? I will continue to deal with you guys till further notice. Now they hear? That's why I go do now rich. The women, for when they just get one car finish now, hey, their life don't better. They don't arrive also. Having as you stupid, even the government here, they are begging people to park their car that they will be giving them bus tickets. Because traffic everywhere. Even some white people, they don't sit down. Not even traffic. The money they pay, if they did not park well, 150. If they do this one, the other one, they not think that this motor na problem. You get one woman where I know. She dey teach, na teacher. Now only when she dey go to market, then she dey carry car. When she dey go school, go teach, she dey enter tram. But a black goat. You will see some black people, they are so dirty that what they are putting on is dirty. Their hair, they are so like they are not living. When you will see them, the first thing they will do, but they're not, because you are seeing them that they are so unkempt. They will show you car key. Their car sit there front, they will hold it like this. Aren't you a fool? Who cares about your car keys? Are you mad? Use your head and don't be stupid. The best thing, so, oh my God, that I just imagine one day that my son will just be rich. My son will be rich in Jesus' name. Will just come, carry me, I will sit in the back of the car, the Jeep. Say, yes, I'm the one that trained this child to be like this. I don't want to address African people like a human being. You people are so stupid for me to address you people. Are you, Oga, you dey craze? Fred, for you to talk this thing, in fact, you are not a living soul. You are not living. Are you mad? Didn't you see your country? The way your country is? Idiot. You you blind? You just let it be. Ordinary person like me, a human being like me, will just be pressing me na juju. Na juju. Carry my money with the tell rich country. Carry and they keep for their own self. You will come out and tell me that you the mad oga. You want me to be speaking big English and be saying, oh, you know, guy, or you know, you are a goat. Issue like this, you have to say it anyhow. Anyhow it enter your mouth, voice and out. Because enough is enough. You people are good for shit. You people are kaka, as French people talk, is sanwa. Why am I boom? You people are so stupid in the brain. You don't see it. If all of you challenging me right now, put your heads together and fight in Edo State, because I come from Edo State. I don't care about Nigeria or Nigeria as a whole. In Edo State, you fight, all those go water, all those things where they happen for they happen again. Make I even say the whole Nigeria self. See the way they are using you people. Fools. You will still be talking. The citizens of Europe can never let things to spoil like this before they will speak out. All of them will just riot. Do you know that the government are very much afraid of their citizens here? Make everything, make something do like this. May you see the way they don't take action. Fred, you dey craze. As I order Nigeria, I'll call the course like this. You dey mad? Do you think I'm stupid like you, Fred Kennedy? I will be in Nigeria and I will be making this kind of live video. I will be cursing. You people are stupid. You don't know whether somebody is helping you. You just want somebody to come and kill me now. You will think that you are a big man. You are a useless person. I curse all the big men in Nigeria because you people are cowards. You just make it and enter one big villa. You roll up everything, put wire for everywhere. Nobody go enter here. You are an evil. You people, you be evil. You don't care about. As I'm talking right now, I care about the masses, about the people that are suffering, and that is why none of you can kill me. None of you can kill me. Mary, I say SARS must stay because SARS is not the problem of Nigeria. Thank you very much. Do you hear me? SARS is not the problem of Nigeria. How many times did you come out to riot, to rally for Boko Haram, to say Boko Haram must stop? Or to say Fulani X-Men must stop? Or to say we need free education? I will be. Even all these women self, all these useless women, when they do meeting, a meeting my door, I will wait. Iya igwaje listen ya zo yo onya wa na we why even why how many times I don't come out come riot say children are being studying on the floor. We have to stop. We need a good school for children, toilets, everything will be inside, everything fine. How many times? Fools, black people. Even if you are elderly woman, you are a useless woman. Do you know that you are very stupid? I don't have respect for any of you. I hate you people from the bottom of my heart. Because I know how I grew up in Africa before I enter Europe. Nobody came out. Nobody will stand and hold their hand and fight for the poor people. Nobody. All these useless rich people just stand and waste your body in their car. The car eye they will use to look at you. You are him, not him. Use your body to wage Oyibo car. Oyibo will say, oh, bonjour, c'est ma voiture. Je vais démarrer. It's my car. I want to move. Black person will say, criminal, leave my car. Come. And you want me to respect you. I will never respect you people until I see Nigeria one everywhere will be good like Europe. That is where I will start respecting black people. But now, I don't have one single respect for you guys. You know why? You people are cowards. Let's remove the evil. If everything is okay in our country, there will be no evil. There will be no witch. There will be no criminal. Because a lot of people here in Europe, Oyibo, they be witch. They do Halloween. That's why I know that they are witch. Then they do Halloween. If everything is okay, Asangi Bazen, Ojigira. They are not innocent people. There is nothing like innocent. They should kill all of them. That country is bad. I want them to even kill all of them so that new people will not come. They will not have new children, have new schools, new government. Train them. Those people you call them innocent, they are not innocent. They are criminals. As far as I'm concerned, there is nobody. innocent in that Nigeria. Majority are criminals. Be you old woman, old man, you guys are criminals. I hate you people. Shy! Who tell una say they be criminal? They are killing innocent people. Oh, even the SARS are criminals. If you guys don't know. Because the government, my annoyance now is the government. All those people on top, I be masses, I go fit talk. Yes. Let me tell you people, as soon as they see say all this our government now, they're bad. People are saying government are bad. Even me, I'm saying government are bad. The ones where they not be government, all of us will be the same thing. We are all criminals. Let me not count myself because I can never be a criminal in the name of Jesus. You see all those people saying Buhari is a bad man. Obaseki is a if they are in their shoe, they will do more than Buhari and Obaseki. They are criminal. What is yours good? They just have to all die. All of them will just die. Then new government will come, new children. The way they treat them in Europe, the way they arrange everything in Europe from school, they teach them small, from KG to primary, from primary secondary, they teach the law, everything. That's why I want to make them kill all of them. No, everybody die, so that new generation will not come in Nigeria. But I'm understanding now. There is nothing like innocent in Nigeria. You don't know what I'm saying. Everybody's a criminal. There. Oh, hey. The leaders are not bad people. Even you are bad, madam. Yes, I'm not lying. Check your heart and say that, Mary, I'm not a bad person. It's a lie. Because you grow up in you were born and brought up in a corrupt country. What do you know? Your mind is dirty. Okay? Nobody is good there. Not even only the government is bad. A government was ordinary person before they were government. So what are we not saying? Think about it. Think with your head. Nobody want to listen. Nobody want, people are just dying. People are just dying. Let's solve this thing. Let's stop all these things. You people should riot from the bottom of your heart. Do not drive the government away and go there. And I'm the worse than them. SARS kill your friend and your friend is innocent. I don't care. Okay? May our soul rest in peace. Do you hear me? I wish you people join your hands together and do rally, and say that government is maltreating you. SARS will not kill anybody. Do you hear me? Do you know that SARS is worse than criminal? No, yeah, I was so. Do you know that SARS is worse than criminal? You guys don't know that. SARS can kill anything killable. They are criminals. But I wish you people protest for good things. SARS will come out and be killing. SARS will come out and be killing. I'm asking this question. Lara, do you decrease? How many times you don't go Nigeria, go they stay for where small children they? If I boy black people, useless fools. How many times? Can you go close to the poor people? Can you? In your miserable life, can you go close to them? If you come from Europe, what do you do if you go to Nigeria? See who is talking. Is it not a big hotel? From hotel into your big car? Making gabu. Fools. So then now let me one good. Now let me one good path. Now let me one. I don't want to hear who I help. I don't want to hear that stupid thing. I will not use my money to help your miserable self. How can I use my hard-earned money to help you with a mad? Help yourself, idiot. Who you help? Who you help? Help you boy. Black people. Can't you fight for your right? Eh? Can't you fight for your rights? I will get for that my English is bad. Where that come from? Eh? Can you tell the European children that their English is bad? Or because they train them, they are educated. Nigeria, where I come from, is it not the same thing we are saying? Suffer. No school, nyama. How do you expect me to speak good English, for crying out loud? No. How? All of them just like the way Nigeria is, because it's corrupt. They will have chance to do their corrupt bad things. Yes, because here in Europe, they cannot. These black fools, they cannot do stupid thing. When they will just make small money here in Europe, back in Africa, may I go a present for there. May I go do my black things there. That is why people don't want your country to be good. Am I lying? Because that is where you go to do your dirty things. Useless people. Some of you who live in Europe, you are still writing nonsense. Me, I will not speak my language. I want this video to go viral. Me, speak my language. I will speak. I'm even trying. I even try to fight for the masses. A lot are in the hospital dying now as we are talking. I even try. I tried my best. I'm trying. What about you that is so stupid? What about you that is thinking how you will get human hair? Thinking how you are going to collect that jeans tomorrow? Thinking how you are going to, that boy to love you? How you are going to... Am I not better off than you? Sitting here, fighting for those people suffering in Africa. Those children are still in... Black people, wow. Nobody have ever pasted this thing in Nigeria, that children have to start school. None of you face the government. None of you. None of you face the government. Lara Idols, you are a foolish black goat. Look at you, a goat digger that even get married to a white man talking to me. You are a fool. Do you see me get married to a white man? Idiot. Get out of my sight, idiot. I know if you sit down near a last one. Now that one with the talk, so me they fight for happy. How everywhere go take good, they talk, say my last one. Get out of my front. This is all the people just know. I'm bigger than you. My last one is bigger than you. I'm talking about people are dying now. As I'm talking right now, people are still dying. Big past me. I understand them in matter. Innocent soul that SARS killed now. This innocent soul that SARS killed. I wish everything is okay. Do you think that SARS will kill anybody? Where is your sense, black people? Where on our sense day? Big. Now me big pass. Now me go school pass. Now me sabi speak pass. That is all you just know in your life. You don't know how to fight for your rights. How to fight for yourself and fight for your neighbor. You don't know it. A white person will come out, not protesting for just himself, protesting for others. Protesting for others. Am I lying? But these black people, where Magbon? Was it there, Magbon? I just came out to talk about this house because it's the Westminster house. For me to talk to now, I'll carry hair, I will just do. I swear to God. I don't want black people. I don't want useless black people. I want the black people who think like me in my platform. You don't understand it. There are a lot of black people right now watching me. They get up for me. The ones that understand where I'm going to. But the ones of you that want to make it alone and want to be driving private jet alone, the That private jet, I'm not going to get, I'm not going to die miserable. Una go die miserable. There are a lot of people listening to me right now. They know where I'm going to. You that want to have money, they will still remain with me in my platform. You hear me so? Shebi, I don't answer your question. Do you know how many years I've been talking like this? My like still remain there. My like, my like page is still there. They're not the shake. That is why when I do hook up, people they beg me, Meriados, give me woman. They know saying are good women, they follow me, they go. Yes, it's tiring or joy. Bah. How many people can talk with their platform like this? Hey, baby. They go just melt. People that are looking for view. I go talk and it's the fact that you people are so stupid. Black people, majority of you, not all. You people are so stupid. You have to know that you are stupid. Stupid is stupid. S-T-U-P-I-D. Stupid. Stupid. You have to know. Even spell it. You people are so annoying. I can never come to Nigeria to be driving Jeep. Iwe. I will do that only when the government will arrange everywhere. That I will know that nobody will shoot me inside my Jeep. I will not say I'm robber. That is where I will have the mind. So that, because I will see another person driving the same Jeep like me, everybody's okay. Maybe I fear me. Not be as everybody just big. I'm robber. I can't do like this. I know you do. Never. I will just there in the midst of the wear slippers they look. I don't want that. I know if you go my country, they hide, they go. I will go to Nigeria. Before you go, before I drop bag, my mama go they drop me. Why there now? You don't see go again. Inside New Benin. All those children, where they do conductor, all of them know me for New Benin. If you just watch this video finish now, just go New Benin. Say, una know one woman where they come from Belgium. That one woman, don't say, she come. Where? Don't you find me they go. If now only that one. And I they fight for those children. I they fight. Make a Belgium people, so they born 10. Belgium. I don't, what if you tell me, for my children's school for year, wow, you both Belgium man, they get 12 children. 12. If Nigeria good, our government they spend the money well. And the women are tired. So they don't want born again. As for Europe also. Which one be saying they born too much again? The money is there. One politician will your load money inside one room. Money day. Money day. You are talking nonsense. Do you know that our black people are very stupid? They don't even know when you are telling them good thing. They are not. The problem we have with them is ego. Your ego is shit. Your ego is worthless. To me. When I see you, I see shit. I don't know why. When I see a black man, I just see shit in my front. It's true though. I just see shit. Because no sense, nothing. Nothing to do with them. So then here, what? Nothing. SARS must stop. SARS must stop. SARS must stop. America, even this is the what say Oyibo princess, or even white people are joining. SARS must stop. Don't you know that the white people are laughing at you? If I tell you say Oyibo, I be Oyibo. I be Oyibo to repair my country. No be Oyibo to be Oyibo to like Oyibo for year. Me. Mama, no see, no don't know me. It will say no know me. I want to be like white to help my own country. Ni medo agbegbele liyan. Me agbegbele liyan. Ama we. Ama me hate yan say black. I hate white. Me I not talk. Me they not go blog me. Me police not come they find me they go. Me mother de wene bo kaka. E no se nata ve yoni ya e bo hin. Just when ya reje wi me hia ve a je video ni me ve ya reje wi me. E me ta I won't understand. E bo ni duzale le ya hia. When they will see any country for Africa they develop, they will destroy them because the black people are full. Me, I go be head of one country. We buiri. Don't forget, ya. I don't live on one love, I don't tire. Me una get sense, Make una dey protest for good thing, Something where go benefit everybody, where everybody go benefit from. Everybody. Do not protest for your own thing because you are a criminal. White people respect you. White people are laughing at you, idiot. And you are still talking. Oh, Fred, you are still talking. You are a goat. You are foolish. Do you see this Aduro camp everywhere? Do you know how much white people are getting from there? Aduro. Do you know how much the white people are getting in your useless black head? Why go? You don't know. Gobi. When Salvini they close all camp, they go for Italy. Not the Italian people want that. Now this camp foreigner now make Italians see date today. Therefore don't close their country. Therefore don't die finish. No, now make the pursue Salvini come out. Look at all these goats, all these black goats. Oh yeah, goat. Oh yeah, see your camp where you go say idiot. No, see pa go there. Do you know how much they take in your head? Oh, you both respect you, yeah? They respect you, Fools. It will be done. Yeah, was the white respect us, black. White people, they laugh at you every day. Goat. Fool.